Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 6-piece of silk hydrangea plants. I love fake plants because I don't have to take care of them, I don't have to water them, and these are beautiful. It's got a 20-inch stem on there, and they come with 3 different leaves for each one. They have a variety of different colors. This one I got has 2 white and 4 red. Now to put them together, it's pretty simple. You've got your stem, then you take your leaves and you put them each onto these little pegs here, and they will just slide right on there. And then you add in the top piece for whatever colors that you are doing. Now it does have a little resistance to put on there because once it's on, it is going to stay on. But we put these on, and then once you get that on, the top piece goes right in there. So I'm gonna put these all together and then we will get them out for decoration. So I've got the flowers all put together and they look so pretty. It even came with this cute little clip of a butterfly, so that is really nice. And it had a little card, so you could actually give this as a gift, give it a nice little present to someone. But these look nice and realistic. I love how it has this extra greenery in there. It is absolutely beautiful and it fits in the room really nice. I mean, this could go in any room just to add a little bit of the outside coming in.